Something out there in the dark is dragging our planet. Right now, as you sit watching this, you are moving at 1.3 million miles per hour. But you feel completely stationary. Here is why. Our planet is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour, and our solar system is also orbiting the center of our galaxy at 500,000 miles per hour. But here is the terrifying fact that our scientists kept secret for decades. Our entire galaxy, the Milky Way, along with Andromeda, its neighbor, and dozens of other galaxies, are also currently hurtling through the universe at 1.3 million miles per hour. We are not drifting, we are being dragged, not by a black hole, not by a white hole, but by something out in the dark that has caught us in its gravitational grip, and is pulling us towards a singular fixed point in the cosmos. And what happens when we reach to this point? I'm Philip, and you're watching Space Library. Let's investigate. The mystery of the Great Attractor was discovered in the year 1986 when a team of astronomers mapping the oldest light in the universe noticed a terrifying distortion. Using deep space radio telescopes, they realized that the fabric of the space was warped. Something mysterious was pulling us, and the dark truth of why we cannot see the monster that is eating us is mind-blowing. To understand the sheer horror of this, you have to understand gravity first. Gravity dictates that mass pulls on mass. For something to drag our entire galactic neighborhood, a region of space stretching millions of light years across, the object being so must possess a mass so incomprehensible that it breaks the human mind. We are talking about a gravitational weight of tens of thousands of galaxies crushed in a single region of space. It is the absolute apex predator of our cosmic neighborhood. But the most terrifying part isn't how fast we are moving. It is the fact that we are completely blind. Imagine driving a car down a highway at 200 miles per hour in pitch black. Now, imagine doing so with blindfolds on. That's exactly what humanity is experiencing right now. Scientists call it the zone of avoidance. When we look up the night sky, we can map the universe in almost every direction except one region, the center of our Milky Way galaxy. This is because it is packed with billions of stars, thick cosmic dust, and massive clouds of gas. This creates a literal wall of debris, blocking about 20% of the deep sky. Whatever the Great Attractor is, it is hiding perfectly behind this wall. It seems like our own galaxy is betraying us. It is acting like the cosmic blindfold, shielding the monster from our telescopes. We can see the galaxies around us being dragged in the exact same direction. We can measure the speed of the current, but we cannot see the waterfall. So what happens when we finally arrive? Will our galaxies be swallowed whole? Will we be crushed in a multi-galactic collision of unimaginable violence? Using advanced X-rays, scientists have barely managed to pierce through the dust. And what they found was terrifying. The Great Attractor isn't a giant black hole. It is an unimaginably dense graveyard of galaxies, a supercluster where thousands of worlds are actively colliding and burning out. But here is the final twist. We will never actually reach that point. We will never reach where we are being attracted, because while gravity is pulling us towards the Great Attractor at 1.3 million miles per hour, something else is fighting back, and that is the dark energy. The universe is expanding, and that expansion is accelerating faster than the speed of light. You got it right? Faster than the speed of light. Space itself is stretching faster than the Great Attractor can pull us. We are caught in a cosmic tug-of-war between a massive unseen monster and the fabric of reality tearing itself apart. Dark energy is winning. Instead of being crushed in a fiery galactic collision, we'll simply be pushed further and further away from everything, until eventually the Great Attractor and every other galaxy in the night sky fades into black pitch. We won't be eaten. We'll just be left completely and entirely alone, just because you subscribe to Space Library. May your God keep you, until I see you in the next video coming soon.